If you're thinking of starting a small business but you can't seem to move forward, this video is for you. So stick around because I'm going to share with you secrets and actionable tips. This is Lisa Mackey, and I help aspiring entrepreneurs like you start and build a successful small business. Okay, here's the truth. You'll never be ready enough to start a business. It is what it is. No matter how you plan, there's always something to learn, or more money to earn, or even the time that you need. It's not going to be enough. And so, really, you only have two choices. And that is if you're serious enough to start a business, now or never. The time to start your business is now. It's today. And the more you delay it, the more your reasons will be compounded. It's not going to end. And then what? You look back and say, oh, how I wish I started my business back then. And I don't want that to happen to you. Let me share a secret with you. I've been on that crossroad many times. Each time I want to do something new, whether it's a new project, a new business, every time I want to do something new, it's like my brain stops me from doing it. And each time I move forward, or I feel like I need to move forward, it's like my brain doesn't run out of reasons to think of. It's like some delaying tactic. And I know why. Because this brain is programmed to stay in its comfort zone. It doesn't want to change. It wants you to remain where it's comfortable. So don't let that happen to you. Instead of letting your brain pull you back to your comfort zone and for you to get stuck, pull it towards a forward moving direction. I promise you, every move I made that broke the mindset in my mind or just blocked off and broke all those excuses, all those moves I made, once I stepped out, it's like a door of opportunities opening before me. So what's stopping you is all in your mind. It's all here. It's all here. It's not in the external factors. It's all in the mind. And you have the power to break that mindset. And this is what I'm going to share with you and what I'm going to teach you, so you can pull your brain towards a forward-moving direction. So one hindering mindset is the lack mentality. You feel like you don't have enough. You feel like you still need more money, more resources so you can start your business. And this mentality is what happened to me, or what I had. I knew I needed to hire someone to help me grow my business, but I kept waiting for the right income, but the right income did not come. So that was hindering me from moving forward. So I finally stepped out and I finally did it. And guess what? As I've said earlier, it opened doors of opportunities. So the way to break this mindset, this lack mindset, is to start investing money into your business, no matter how little it is. So if you feel like you don't have enough money to start something, then buy something simple and buy something cheap. Like you can probably get a webcam so you can start doing videos. You can buy a webcam for less than $100. Or you can probably purchase a book that will teach you how to do your business. And what? That's not even $50. Or you can enroll in an online course, which is not really expensive. So start putting money into your business because that's going to shift your mindset. Stop relying on free stuff. There are times when free stuff is good when you're starting to explore and starting to test the waters. I offer lots of free stuff. But the thing is, sometimes we get stuck in that free stuff and then it keeps us stuck in that lack mentality. And so the way to reverse that is for you to start investing into your business. Each time you feel like buying something, like buying a new pair of shoes, instead of doing that, invest that money into your business. This is definitely going to train your mind. It's going to shift your mind from the lack to abundance mentality. Another hindering mindset is what I call the delay mentality. Yes, there's a time to wait. But if you keep waiting for that most favorable time, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. When you don't seize those moments, time becomes elusive. It's like you can't even grab it. You can't even have the time that you need. I'll share with you a simple story that happened to me not too long ago. So I was waiting for the most favorable time to go out and run because the weather was unpredictable. I didn't know if it was going to rain or what. So I waited and waited for the most favorable time and it didn't happen. And so you know what? I finally decided to go out and I'm like, so what if it rains? Well, guess what? When I finally stepped out, the sun all of a sudden started shining so brightly. The sun came out. And so it turned out to be a perfect weather for a good run. So that time is going to be friends with you if you seize those moments. So to break this delay mentality, it's good for you to set goals. Set specific goals. Start with weekly goals and then break that weekly goals. Or let's start with a 1 week goal and break those goals into daily goals and stick to it. Stick to it. That will train you to seize those moments. That will make you not be super overwhelmed with the magnitude of the work that you think you're going to do. When you break that down, it's going to be easier for you and you're going to be able to seize those moments so you can start moving forward. The thought that you don't know enough is another hindering mindset. So you watch all these videos, you read different books, you even enroll in different courses and still feel that you're not ready to start a business. Well, guess what? This is information overload. You're stuck because you know too much. And you know what? This is the same problem and hindering mindset of people who just keep studying but can't seem to get a job because they feel like what they know is not enough. So to break this mindset, focus on only a few things. So instead of following 10 people, for instance, follow 2 people. Instead of watching so many videos of 10 people, follow those 2 people and watch their videos. Buy their books, but just 2 people. Limit it to a few. But it's not enough for you to keep studying and keep learning. You need to apply it immediately so you don't get stuck and feel like you don't know much. Because each time you get to that point, it means that there is too much information that you need to apply. Another entrapping mentality or a mindset that can hinder your moving forward is thinking that you have so many things to do. Now, while this may be true, what's happening to you, if this is your reason, is you're getting so overwhelmed with the hugeness of what you need to do. So the way to deal with this is for you to break down your list into specific goals. I mentioned this a little earlier ago, but this time I'm going to make it more specific even for you. So create a list of everything you need to do to start your business, anything that you can think of. Just write it down. Writing it down already releases your stress from your mind to the piece of paper or your computer or your phone. And then after writing it down, start categorizing them in terms of phases. So phase 1 is what you can do probably in the next 3 months, phase 2, 3 months after that again, and so on and so forth. Or you can do phases in terms of months or even in terms of weeks, and then break that down into smaller goals. The more specific your goals are, the more doable and achievable it becomes. And so you don't get overwhelmed, and so you don't feel entrapped into thinking that, oh my gosh, I just have so many things to do. Because that really keeps you stuck, and instead of doing something, you end up doing nothing. So bear that in mind. That's the only way you can overcome that hindering mindset. Again, all your reasons for not starting your business or for not moving forward, all those reasons are in your mind. So break those reasons, break those hindering mindsets, and start moving forward today. Now, I'm going to give you a list of things that you can do in starting your business and in moving forward. Number one, think of a business name. Number two, finalize your business idea. Number three, create a financial goal. Number four, join networking groups. Number five, hire a business coach. Number six, enroll in an online course. Incidentally, I have designed an online business program that will guide you step by step and very clearly in starting and building a successful small business. Now, if you attend this program, your mind will get clearer, you'll be able to overcome all those hindering mindsets, and this is really going to motivate you to keep moving forward. Go to lisamagiconsulting.com/BSFY. Don't let anything hinder you from starting your business today. No matter how little those steps are, they are important. I really want to see you move forward. So I hope this video has been very helpful to you. I hope it has motivated you. Let me know in the comments below which of those hindering mindsets apply to you the most and what you can start doing today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you'll be notified of every video I post on Wednesdays. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.